delighted to have Mr. Zhao to present the awards. 2016 China Daily Innovation Awards are selected by China Daily editors who have screened across many innovative products at Global Sources electronic shows. These awards are a perfect fit at our shows as we have been showcasing so many innovative items in the past few days. And there are 2 award categories, and we will start with the first category, the most promising electronic gadgets. There are in total 5 winners for this category, and the winners are Loop, the world's first family drones by Sinosky. We are invite Mr. Anthony Spicer, CMO of Sinosky, to receive the award. Thank you. And the next winner is Move It, the world's first mobile connected smart gym by Eggplant Technologies. May you please welcome Mr. Oscar Wong, co-founder and COO of Eggplant Technologies, to come on stage for the award. Okay, and the next winner is Mini Toy, a 3D printer for kids by WiseTech. May I invite WiseTech Mr. Ken Kwok, Vice President of Sales and Marketing, to receive the award. Congratulations. And the next winner is Microbat, micro USB rechargeable battery by Shenzhen Communication Technology Corporation Limited. May I invite Mr. Miguel, General Manager of Shenzhen Communication Technology, to receive the awards, and Mr. T. Wu. Thank you. Okay, and here comes the final winner. It's VR Walker by Shenzhen Virtual Reality Technology Corporation Limited. May I invite Ms. Lily Go of Shenzhen Virtual Reality Technology to receive the award. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all the winners. Okay, may I invite all the winners of the most promising electronic gadgets to go on stage to take a group photo with Mr. Zhao. Many of you would be interested to learn more from our winners, and I would like to start with Sinosky, Mr. Spicer. Okay, can you tell us what is so special about your products?
Unlike other drone companies that seem to want to fly the highest, the farthest, use the most battery, that kind of thing, the Loop is designed to be targeted purely towards the family market, because we discovered that there was a very untapped segment of the market there. And through a lot of research and talking to family units around the world, we've come up with 4 family values of practicality, portability, fun, and sharing. And the Loop is designed to cover all those aspects.
Thank you.
One of these aspects, practicality, portability, I can show you now. The arms of the Loop are extremely modular, which means that if your children crash it, the arms can be popped off and replaced with no problem. This also gives an advantage to hobbyists who can design their own additions. The arms themselves can be folded in, and the legs can be folded in, and the gimbal slotted off, which can go onto a handheld gimbal and become much like the Osmo.
That's very compact, right?
That's right, and becomes extremely compact to fit in a very small laptop bag. The other part is the what we call the light finger skywriting. time-lapse photography. Basically, we've taken all the manual work out of it. If you run our app on a smart device and you can draw any image or any text in any color, press go, the loop will draw it in the sky. All you have to do is film it.
Okay, then you can make a drone sky show.
Yes. And one of the final benefits of the loop is we give away a set of FPV goggles that receive a live feed from the camera. That's not new, but we've given the addition of a group feature where you can invite all your friends around the world to share the live feed and sit by the fire and watch as you fly everywhere. It's quite popular with the tourist industry who are thinking to use that to offer their tour services. So all those features together give us the family journey.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Spicer.
No problem.
And I think you guys will also be very interested to get this product. Thank you very much. Congratulations. You may please get seated. Okay, maybe next turn. It's Eggplant technology, Mr. Oscar Wong. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And your product is very much welcomed by the visitors. Can you share with us the most memorable moment during the R&D for this product?
Okay, I thought I was going to talk about the features and
Never mind.
Okay, anyway. I think, for this product, the most challenging time for us was, we wanted to combine effective fitness with smart sensing technology. And, we wanted people we want to make it very difficult for people to cheat. And they really have to work out. So, yeah, I mean, during the R&D process, the most challenging part was to develop the algorithm and the software. It's very hard to distinguish when you do a resistant band exercise. It's very hard to distinguish between this and this. That's where we spend most of our time doing. Yeah.
And I think the software is the treasure of every startup. So thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Okay, please be seated. Okay, the next winner is Mr. Miguel and Team Wu from Shenzhen Lianguang Communication Technology.
Yes.
And your battery, it's so compact, you can take it with one hand. And what makes the most memorable moment when you try to do the R&D of this product? Can you share with us?
Yeah. I think this product is the cooperation between West and East, and our partners
West and East.
West and East. Our partner local in Spain, we local in China. They design, we manufacture. Okay, thanks to the platform of global source of China Daily, we have our product was a world. So happy today. Just nervous. Thank you. Please.
Okay.
Is any words? Yeah.
Well, thanks, Global Sources.
Congratulations.
China Daily for the award. Smart Tools brand is a European brand based in Madrid, Spain, and we collaborate with Tim and the company 3 years ago with different products, and now we launched this new product. Our key differentiation in the market is the design. For us, is the differentiation we want to now in the market, and our product is eco-friendly because it's very is the same. One battery is this micro battery is equal 500 batteries standard, and it's very important for savings and for eco environment.
Thank you for sharing. Okay, you may be seated. And hello, you are Mr. Kwok from Wisec, which is a 3D printer for kids, right?
Right.
And why did you produce this gadget in the very first place? Can you share with us?
Sure. So thanks Global Source for giving us the Innovation Award. I think for all the products that we make for the market, it's really about the innovation. And innovation is what really we want to surprise or impress the end user. And our basic concept is we want to make a kid-friendly printer. The kids want to play, but maybe he doesn't want a printer. So I think the barrier, the challenge for us to make a 3D printer, first, doesn't look like a 3D printer, but the kids will like it as a toy. They love it first, and then they can explore more what is inside. So we come up a first kid-friendly 3D printer mini toy. It combines the STEM education, which is supported by the government and everybody in the school right now. That's how we come up the mini toy 3D printer.
Okay. Usually high technology is confined to adults, and you are producing a gadget for the kids, so it's going to be a big trend. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, congratulations. You're Lily from Shenzhen Virtual Reality Technology Corporation Limited. Can you tell us what is so special about your product, which is a very large-size VR walker?
Yeah, actually VR walker is one of this kind in the market. We have been hearing a lot of news about our VR walker. VR walker is the one who stepped as a rare product people can experience. Actually, our 3 glasses start to work with the motion chair manufacturers about 1 year ago. So we want to create an immersive feeling about the motion chair. So we want to do it better in the last days, and we are also provide the games and resources to our customer. So I believe we are not only satisfied with the product, but also in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you. Thank you very much for your sharing. And the next awards we are going to present is Most Promising Startups. And there are 3 winners for this award. May I invite Mr. Zhou again to present the awards? Mr. Zhou, please. The winners for Most Promising Startup is Macrotellect. Please welcome Mr. Kenny Kong, International Marketing Manager, to come on stage for the award. Congratulations. The next winner is Eggplant Technologies. Please welcome Mr. Oscar Wong, co-founder and COO of Eggplant Technologies, to receive the award. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And the final winner is Rotorex Racing. May I invite Mr. Martin White, CEO and founder of Rotorex Racing, to receive the award. Thank you very much, Mr. Zhao. Please be seated. And all the winners, please remain on stage. And I would like to know more about your products too. And you are Mr. Oscar Wong. A second time to get on the stage, and what an amazing achievement.
Thank you.
Can you tell us what is so? Can you share us with any interesting story in an early stage of your startup?
Yeah.
Early stage.
Yeah, of course. Not features and bells and whistles. Okay.
You have time to introduce that.
I think the most challenging for us was we had a lot of debates about this product. It's one of its kind. Never seen people doing this kind of things in the world yet. So we had a lot of debates among ourselves. How do we want our application to look? How do we want our products? What do we want in this set, right? And I think, going through the process, we learned that we always go back to where we want our user to experience. Whenever we had a debate, we ask ourselves, how does the user want to use it? why would he tell his friend this is good and suggest his friends to buy? So I think that we always go back to that, and this helps us solve a lot of the challenging question of being pioneer.
Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you. You may be seated first. Okay, and Mr. White, never mind. Okay, you're from Rotarex Racing.
Correct.
And can you, as a startup, what kind of advice you can share with us to many of those who are starting their business?
Our particular challenges are a bit different from most, I suspect. We tried to create a product which didn't exist, so we had to come up with a lot of the technology behind it. And as a startup, it's very hard to come up with the capital to do research development and sell the product at the same time. So strategic partnerships for us are the best way to fill in those gaps and make a product that was really what we wanted it to be without having to outlay a lot of capital and have a lot of overhead cost as well.
But you've made it already, right?
Well, yeah, it's been a challenge, but yeah, we're pretty happy with where we've got in the past year and pushing micro drone technology. So we've got a long way to go, but drone racing is just here to start, I'd say.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing. Please be seated. Okay, and Mr. Kwong.
Yes.
From Macrotellect.
Yes.
Okay. Can you share with us any interesting story during the early stage of your startup?
Of course, our idea was to, using your brain to interact with our software, hardware, and games, right? So it's, everybody since they're young, they dreamed of levitating object only using their mind. It's been a dream of everybody since they're young, including me myself, of course. The interesting story is basically our founding story, because our goal was to create something similar to that. So when we engage users, we see the satisfaction on their face of that actually has been achieved. That's what we are really proud of ourselves, and that we find this very, very interesting.
And many of us are also very proud of them. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Congratulations.
And thank you all the friends all over the world who support us. Especially 3GLASS is here. And thank you, the host and the Global Source. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
China Day.
You'll be very healthy.